If our patients are unfortunate enough to lose all their teeth, there's a misconception that dentures are a replacement for natural teeth. Anybody with dentures would tell you differently. Your denture may look normal in smiling or pictures, but as far as function and stability with speech or chewing food, it's not even close. The best alternative for our patients is to add dental implants to their denture, where they can have a final fixed prosthesis that either is press fit into position or screwed in position and then can function as natural teeth, so they don't come in and out. You have confidence when you go out with family or friends that you can eat whatever you desire. Your teeth will not dislodge or come out of your mouth with smiling or talking. No more removing your teeth to clean under them. No more of the denture covering your upper and lower jaw completely. Your food tastes better, you speak better, and you have your freedom back. Our patients that have transitioned from traditional dentures to full arch fixed solutions have got their teeth back, they got their confidence back, and they wish they would have done it sooner.